Student, last class we were doing that in solid state. This is the fifth class. Last class we had done formula for unit cell. This is the second class. We are continuing, and as you know, this is the program sponsored by Vijay College for the economically and academically weaker section of the student. For every class we'll be telling. That is guided by faculty members, all the faculty members and old student association, and teachers from other colleges also there rendering their helping hand. And it is purely for the students who can't afford to pay the tuition fees. Any student can observe, and around 1,000 classes on each subject is going to uploaded, and students are on national level is going to be benefited. Maybe the standard it may not be that level as you feel, but it is definitely giving a helping hand for most of the students who are appearing. Therefore, if it helps you 10%, that gives a lot of boost for you to face the exam. Now we are continuing the same topic. Last class we were doing that. What is that? See, crystal. What is that? At corner there are 8 atoms, right? There are 8 corners are there. Sorry, there are 8 corners are there. 8 corner, and face center is how much? 6. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Face center. And edges. There are 12 edges. And body center is 1. I am recollecting the problem last class. There are A atoms at the corner, B atoms are at the face center, C atoms are at the edges, D atom in the body center. Write the formula. You know what is the contribution of the corner? 1 by 8. We know. What is the contribution at face center? It is 1 by 2. For edge, 1 by 4. For body center, it is 1 itself. How we have done it? There 8, 1 by 8. For A you got 1. For B, 6 into 1 by 2, 3. Therefore for B you got 3. For C, what do you get? 12 into 1 by 4, that is 3. For C we got it. For D, it is 1. Then what is the formula? A, B, C, D. For A you write 1. For B you write 3. For C you write 3. For D is 4. Therefore, the solution we got is... See, all these things you have to calculate mentally so fast, very quickly. We have taken nearly 40 minutes or 45 minutes to solve this. Now it took only not even a minute. In NEET exams, in a fraction of a second, you will know that. By looking itself, your mind calculates so fast, you can identify the answer. Now there is another tough problem. See, this particular tough problem, out of 10,000 students, only 5 or 6 students they have answered in. The statistic they'll take, they'll analyze for each question how many students, total number of students attempted, total number of students taking part in the exams. Okay, this total number, total attempted, how many people cleared. This ratio statistic they'll take the questions. Out of that, 1,000 people, so out of total number, 10,000 people have attempted. Out of that, 5 or 6 people only cleared on sum. I'll tell you what is that particular sum. I'll read out. See, they removed at the corner 25% of A is been removed, and 25% they removed, then 50% they removed from B, 75% they removed from C. They have not removed anything here. Write the formula. Now A. How many atoms are there? Corner 8. That means 8 atoms are at the corner. 25% is removed. 25% means 25 by 100. That means 8, 1 by 4. That means they removed 2. How much is remaining? 8 minus 2. 6 is remaining in A. And what is the contribution of the corner? 1 by 8. Therefore, 6 into 1 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, for A, it is 3 by 4. Now, second, what they did? They removed 50% of the atom at the face center. That means 50B, 50%. How many atoms are available? 6. 50% means 50 by 100. That is 2, 3 atoms. How much is remaining? Total available is 6. 3 is removed. How many? Only 3s are remaining. What is the contribution? Contribution of face center is half. Therefore, 3 into half is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, B, you have to write 3 by 2. Is it clear? Then, C, that is the edge. How much they removed? How many are available? 12. How much they removed? 75%. 75% is what? 3 by 4. Here 3 times it goes. 3 3s are 9 they removed. How much are available? 12. Out of that, 9 they removed. How much is available now? Only 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. Therefore, what is the contribution of the edge? 1 by 4. Therefore, C is equal to 3 by 4. D they have not removed. 0. Therefore, 1 only. Okay. Now, therefore, D we got, it is 1. Because we are not, D we are not removing anything. Therefore, existing is 1 minus removed is 1. Therefore, 1. Contribution is also 1. 1 into 1, 1. Like that. Okay. Therefore, A 3 by 2, B 3 by 2, C 3 by 4, D 1. Therefore, A 3 by 2, B 3 by 2, C 3 by 4, D 1. This is the formula. But you have to make a whole number. Is it not? All are fraction. Therefore, multiply throughout by 4. If you multiply by 4, what will get? This is 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 times. B is also 6. Here get cancelled. C 3. D is 1. Therefore, the formula is A6, B6, C3, D. Look, total number we don't know how many lakh students. Out of that, 10,000, your 4th or 5th rank fellow. Right? Therefore, you start doing all the problems, this type of problems, you'll get it. Right? Thank you. I did so fast, you believed whatever I did it. Carefully you see. What is this? 25%, 8 by 4, 2. Therefore, 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. But what I copied here, 3 by 2 in urgency. If you are under tensed, this is purposely I have done. Right? A, 3 by 4. Then again B, 3 by 2. C, again 3 by 4. D, 1. Is it clear? Carefully observe. Or see how much decisive. 90 here, out of 10,000, around 100 students or 150 students, they got this answer. But because of this silly mistake, in urgency you will do that. I also did the same thing. See, I am how a student do in the examination I am demonstrating. You may come up to the next to 90% you have done. 99%. There 1% you lost. Because here, what I did, multiply throughout by, instead of 3 by 4, I have written 3 by 2. Urgency, the tension. It is all, see, it is happen for everyone, irrespective of age. How much our time you prepare, it will happen always, everywhere. Therefore, don't give room for tension. Now here what I did, multiply throughout by 4. If you multiply by 4, what will happen? 4 get cancelled. If you multiply by 4, what will get? It get cancelled here 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore here what? A 3, B 6. If you multiply by 4, what do you get? C 3. Here they forgot to multiply 4. Therefore D 4. Therefore, what is the molecular formula? A3, B6, C3, D4. This is the molecular formula. Right? Therefore, you have to be very, very careful. You go through the lesson, the previous lesson, that is class number 9 and class number, this is class number 10 or 9 or 10, whatever it is. Previous class, just go through that. And still some more 2 sums I will be doing in the next class. Okay. For the next class, what I want to do is, I will put the question here. If all atoms along an edge are removed. This is another question paper. What is the molecular formula? Next, another question, another problem. If all atoms present in one phase is removed, what happens? Just think and do it. Another question, if all atoms along a body diagonal is removed. This is another question paper. See how they were asking. These 3 questions we'll do in the next class. Think about that. You know how you have to remember this picture. Sorry, I have to write. The picture we have drawn already, no? I am removing, if I remove all this picture, you remember, look, it will be, what is this question there? I am giving you, I will do this problem in the next class. If all atoms along one edge is removed, this is one edge, no? One edge, only one edge I am removing. 1, 2, 3 I am removing. 1, 2 means what? Here, what is this? Which color? A. Here also A. I am removing 2. A I am removing 2. What is that? C I am removing 1. Now what is the formula? Can you follow? See how they are tricky way asked. See, these are all very, very important for drug designing. For the corona, right? If you give a proper dosage, or drug designing is a very, very important topic for crystal, this type of sums. And the whole world is waiting for you to solve the problems. Is it clear? Therefore, don't think that you are doing for yourself. You are doing for this world. You are going to save the world. Therefore, each sum are very, very important. And if all atoms present in one phase is removed, I remove this. That means, so this is first sum. The second sum, all phases means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. A I remove 4. B also I remove 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Sorry, B I remove only 1. Sorry. B I remove only 1. C I remove 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, how the molecular formula changes. Next, third sum is what? If all atoms along the diagonal is removed. See, this is 1. And this diagonal. That diagonal, how many? See, you take one diagonal in the sense, you can draw two diagonals, is it not? See, here one diagonal, you can do one diagonal, two diagonals you can write. Here I am removing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, if I face all faces, I am only one face I am removing. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2 diagonal, only diagonal. I am not removing this. See, that is along the diagonal is 1, 2, 3, 4. A I am removing 4 atoms. B I am removing 1 atom. Right? C I am not removing. C, as usual, C will be there. Now see the problem, different problems. All type of problems you have to attempt. Everything, for everything, this is only one picture. Okay? Next class, we are going to do this. Please be prepared. You work it out and keep it. I also work it out. Let us see. As far as this, I am not prepared. I am also going to prepare and come. You also prepare. I will ask Professor Jaykumar to do that for myself and do it. Right? And again, our motto is what? Each one, teach one. Now, whatever you learned, you teach for other students, for our national integration. Don't fall on this caste, creed, religion, region,